Okay, Corby's. Cheese. Alright, Batman. Show us how it's done.
Go ahead, do it. Be careful. Be very careful.
No bonking. I go to work from one day, I come home, and look what Melissa does to the front room. Instant skate park. Okay, be careful, Corby's. Don't step down. Be careful, Connor. Don't wiggle the table.
Be very careful, folks.
And bonk. Good. Whoop. Hey, Corby's. Hey, come here. We got to check out how your helmet fits so perfectly backwards. All right. Let's show it. Let's see it, Connor. Woo-wees.
I think his bike needs some lube.
Now that way we can hear him coming. Whoa, bonk. Wipe out. Yay, get up. Get up.
He's got his pajamas on.
He's a little slippery.
Papa Willie when I drive.
Okay, you pop a wheelie. Okay, let's see you do that. I'd like to really see you pop a wheelie while you drive. Bonk.
Need some help? Need some help?
Wow, wheelie backwards. Hey, there's a ramp right there, bud.
You got it? By yourself? You want me to help you?
Hey, they call that a mono, I think.
I'll help you get on. Just help you get on. There you go. Hey, I won't help you. I won't help you.
Okay, Corbs. Hey, did you put your helmet on by yourself, bud? Yeah? Did you put your helmet on all by yourself? Yep. Okay. Okay, be careful. Connor,
Be very careful, folks.
don't wobble the table, Connor. Donk. You guys are so silly. Donk. Hey, you just bonked Daddy. All right, Corby, say bye-bye. Hey, don't bonk me. Say bye-bye. Hey, wave. I want to see your bye-bye.
Hey, Corbin, look at Daddy.
Corby's. Bye-bye. Okay, that was good.